A very warm good morning to my lovely audience. It's Adanka Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Today I'm here to cover Educators Expo 2025. The timings is 10 to 7. The dates are 7 to 8 June. And if you're a 10th or 12th pass student or you're going to pursue graduation or PG, so you should definitely visit this exhibition because it's all about the counseling, the education. So let's go inside and we'll explore about the brands, the universities and the colleges. Come with me. So hi everyone, you can see we have just entered in the hall right now. This hall number is 12. So here's the SGT University, which is mainly focusing on the law part. It is a faculty of law which is known as for BLLB, BBLLB, LLB and LLM. So here you can find the 100% scholarship with the SGTU and mentorship by Supreme Court judges. It is an international moot court competitions. So if you're looking for a, if you want to pursue LLB, BLLB, so you can visit to this booth and you can have a conversation over here. You can get all the information about the courses and the admission criteria. It's having a 23 years of academic excellence. They offer courses like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering. It's all about faculty of engineering and technology. So I'll just tell you about, I'll just give a brief information about that why it's important to go for the engineering at SGT. They have a cutting edge facilities, research center in culture, industry partnership, a great placement and of course a comprehensive skill development. If I just talk about the academic innovation, so they have interdisciplinary activities, project based learning which is PBL, incorporation of emerging technologies, online and hybrid learning models also options. Basically what happens if you go for the offline courses, so you have to shift towards to any other different city, but if you wanted to go for online and hybrid learning models, they have that option too. Then fifth is entrepreneurship and innovation programs. They have the sixth one is advanced assessment techniques. The seventh is global collaborations and exchange programs, and eighth is training for placement. I'll just talk about that. So the students they are placed in this kinds of companies like Infosys, Optum, Ozone, SBI, and the most important BT Group Max Healthcare Admit Card. And if you're looking for a good future for your career, so you definitely can go for SGT University. So let's do one thing, we'll explore more universities and colleges. Come with me. So yes, this is the second booth and it's all about the APJ Satya University. Basically, they provide lots of courses like School of Engineering, School of Management Sciences, School of Designs, School of Journalism. So if you wanted to pursue your bachelor, so you can visit this booth and you can get the information about the academics, about the admission process. And they're providing a good scholarship as well. So if you are looking for a scholarship, they will provide two. Let's explore the another booth. So now we'll interact with SRM University and we'll go inside, we'll get informations about what is the admission process of SRM University, which all courses they're providing right now and what are the criteria. So yes guys, she's Mrs. Apurva and she's the senior counselor over here. I just wanted to know from you ma'am that for what purpose you people are here, because everybody knows SRM University. So like what all courses you're offering this time and have you launched any new courses?
Sure. So as everyone knows, SRM University started from the Chennai. It started before 55 years. We are continue the legacy of SRM University Chennai from SRM University Sonipat, Andhra and Sikkim. We have 4 universities and 21 institutes and multiple cities we are launching our institutes and universities also. If we talk about curriculum and management, the same legacy, whatever students are studying in Chennai, they are also studying in Sonipat campus. The main reason we are with us and we are here to providing the information of the students that if you're looking for the SRM University in Chennai branch and if you didn't get any seats and anything, you can also appear for the Sonipat. The same things, whatever get you are Chennai, the same curriculum, activities and placements we are offering here.
Okay. So my next question to you is what is the placement chances over here and what is the admission criteria?
Okay. We are offering 100% placement opportunity for all the students. If you're looking for BTech, CS, Management, BBA, MBA, if you're looking for BSc, Hospitality and Hotel Management, we are offering 100% placements in all the programs. The start package of minimum requirement 5 to 7 lakh, highest went on 36 to 40 lakh. And if you're looking for the admission process, of course, in 12th, a good percentage of marks like 60%. And for the CS, we PCM with 50%. and you have to fill the application form. We are also conducting our own exam, SRM HCAT. SRM HCAT is the entrance exam and scholarship exam. If students is looking for the scholarship, we are also offering the 12th basis of scholarship. So student got 75 hour marks, he will get a scholarship, and student also appear for the scholarship exam, SRM HCAT, and will get 85% of, obviously the student will get the good scholarship.
Last but not the least, already the results are out of the 10th and 12th basically, and the graduation too. Already like people have gave their exams and the results are out. So how's the response of the students right now in this exhibition, and how the exhibition is helping you?
The exhibition is helping me for those students who are having the good marks but they don't aware about what is our program we are running. Like right now we launch a new BTech robotic and automation. So
Okay.
we are also hearing for providing the information. We have multiple programs if you are looking for management, engineering, humanities, hotel management, finance, commerce. So we are offering a lot of opportunities. So here we just need to students to guide a proper details, because our students need a proper counseling. What are the impact? What are the pros and cons of each and every program? So as a senior counselor, my job role is to providing the deep knowledge about each and every program, which will help you the student life.
That's great. Thank you so much, ma'am, for interacting with Expo Media English. I'm definitely people will find lots of solutions from our channel, and they will definitely visit to your booth maybe tomorrow, most probably, or maybe today as well. So thank you so much for interacting with us. Thanks a lot. So we'll do one thing, we'll explore the another booth and the another colleges and universities, so come with me. So yes guys, we'll move towards CETA University this time, and if you are looking for the airline classes or the courses, so this is a perfect one, and especially for the abroad. So please come with me. Hi sir, this is Irina, we are from Expo Media. As you have already mentioned over here that airline training academy you are providing, and that too in abroad. So what is the admission criteria and what is the process over here?
Okay, so we are from CETA and we are a group of companies. So we offer multiple variety courses. Not only aviation, we provide even engineering, we provide medical, we provide MBBS, and we do it from countries like Canada, US, Australia, Russia, UK, and European countries that we do. And for aviation, we guys do the training here in India as well. Our center is in Dwarka and Mode, New Delhi, where we have a mock-up aircraft. So we have a live aircraft standing at the office of 30 seats, where we trained everything to them like on a practical grounds, which helps the students to understand the betterment of the aviation industry. And along with the aviation industry, if somebody wants to do courses like BBA, hotel management, computer science, artificial intelligence, then that also we do it from abroad.
So it means the CETA is not only providing for the airlines, there you have other options also, but only
Yes.
for the graduation, not for the post
For
graduation,
both.
right?
For
Just
both.
for
So
both
somebody
you
who
have.
has done a graduation from India and now wish to move to abroad, we do it even from UK and from US.
So what is the process?
So हमें bachelors में we need 60% as minimum score. If they have more than that, they will get good scholarship also. And if they are doing IELTS PT, there is an English exam that they are doing. It's good enough.
What is the placement chances? And can you please tell me any top 5 brands like where already the students are placed?
Right. So if I talk about the placement chances and the charges of the placement, there is no charge that the universities charge for that. And if I talk about the placement, there are universities in UK who actually give the promise that if we're not able to give you the placement, take your fees back. So if somebody
Okay.
has paid 15 lakh, 17 lakh as fees and the university failed to give them the placement, the university is giving them in writing, take your money back of 15 lakhs.
Do you have any seat vacancies?
We have seat vacancies available for September intake. If
I
somebody
just talk about cabin crew because it is something very new and it is very trending right now.
Correct.
So what is the seat vacancy for the cabin
So
crew?
if I talk about seat vacancy of cabin crew, we have 20 seats available with us for cabin crew on first come first serve basis. And if somebody gets through as cabin crew, as air hostess, their salary starts from 65,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees monthly,
And
and
in
they
which
get to
company,
see
in
the
which airlines?
world free of cost.
In which airlines?
We are the authorized partner for Indigo, for SpiceJet, and for Air India. So we will be giving them the placement in these airlines.
Okay, thank you so much. The last but not the least, any message you wanted to give to the students who have just, passed their 10th and 12th or the graduation and they have got their results, but they're not happy with their results right now?
If you're not happy with the results, don't worry. We have the options available. Even if you have scored 40%, 50%, 70%, or 90%. If you're not still happy with your scores and you wish to move abroad and you feel it कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरा नीट अच्छा नहीं हुआ, मेरा CUT क्लियर नहीं हो पाया या उसमें मैंने अच्छे से नहीं अपना अटेम्प्ट दे पाया, डोंट वरी, वी स्टिल हैव द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल. हम आपका वो सपना पूरा करेंगे. बाहर जाओ, सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट बनो, अर्न करो एंड साथ साथ आपको पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स के साथ साथ आपको खुद का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है जिसमें जाके आप अर्न कर सकते हो और प्लेसमेंट ले सकते हो.
Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media. Thanks a lot. So yes guys, as you have seen that sir has updated us about the CETA, that they are not only providing about the airlines, they're providing for the bachelor's and the post-graduation courses too. So definitely you can contact. I'll just provide the details in the description. So yes guys, now we'll move towards Parul University because everybody knows about Parul University. It's very famous for the graduation courses and they offer lots of courses like management, engineering and lots of other options as well as like journalism too. So we'll go inside, we'll talk to the counselor or the head person and they will guide us. So come with me. So yes guys, he's Mr. Tarun and he's a senior manager from Parul University. I just wanted to know from you which all courses basically you offer and what is the admission criteria right now?
Look, we cover all the 3 streams from MBBS to BTech to BA to BCom, BSc courses, all the courses what exactly you are looking for the undergraduate level we have. We have for the PhDs as well as for the master degrees as well.
Do you have any option for journalism?
We do have.
Okay. So basically, can you please tell me top 5 companies where your students are placed? If I just talk about BTech.
Microsoft is there, there is Oracle, SAP, Cookhill, Google, there are a lot of them.
And if I just talk about journalism?
Look, journalism, obviously a lot of media channels is there. People are there going for the print, digital and mass. So in every sector, in every 3 specialization, we have a lot of other, the media channels or the newspaper partners. They are getting placed.
Okay, so what is the scholarship chances over here and what is admission fee basically you offer for the BTech?
For BTech, if we talk about the fee would be for, if I talk about the computer science, is 1,61,000 per year.
Okay.
Right. Hostel charges, mess charges would be an extra, but that's a normal tuition fee which would be there. And scholarship that again depends on the percentage of marks you have scored in 12th. Right, if you are 95 and plus, then you will get 40% of the waiver on the tuition fee of the first year, and obviously when you is 80-85, you will get 30% approximately.
Do you have any entrance option?
Not for the BTech.
Not
for the BTech.
But for other courses?
Like for designing, we do have.
If a person have scored something like 50 to 60 in their 12, but they have appeared for the CUT and they have scored good, the cutoff is good and the score is good.
We don't consider the CUT score, right? But yes, if the student the marks are less, but we have to check their past record as well. What course exactly they are looking for? Not all the courses at the at the percentage of 40, 50.
If I'll just take an example of BBA then.
Yeah, 50% is normal. We can take it.
Oh. So thank you so much for connecting with Expo Media. If you want to give any message regarding the Parul University to the students, so you can.
Parul University is one of the oldest in Gujarat and it's a 250-acre big campus. They have it with all the facility. Normally, students are asking for the how big the campus, what exactly. It's not an institute. It's not a 2-3 story building. It's the proper university campus which includes all what exactly students require to complete a journey of their studies. We are providing them as a whole. So I'm sure it is good and it's one of the best industrial city of India and the safest state of obviously India, the Gujarat. So obviously I always recommend students to go for this place.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much sir, for connecting with Expo Media. Thanks a lot. So yes guys, as you have seen that sir has told about the admission process, the criteria, the scholarship options also, and if you have scored around 50 or 60 and you wanted to go for the management, so definitely you can pursue your management course and you can go for it through Parul University. So now it's time to go for another booth and another college and university, so come with me. So yes guys, now it's time to talk to some students and they are exploring about the exhibition, about the educators, and they're looking for the admission process, so come with me. So hi, I just wanted to know your name and for what purpose you are here.
My name is Tirthesh Jain and I am here looking for BTech courses.
So you have just passed your 12th, it means, right?
Yes.
So in which universities you are looking for? What is your dream?
My dream is looking in a decent university near my house, so in Delhi NCR region only. I'm not comfortable in outside
Going
region.
out. Okay, Delhi is a good place and people come to, pursue their graduations or post-graduations for Delhi basically, especially. So I just wanted to know from you, you are a student, just now you have passed your 12th. You might have facing lots of problems while choosing your course or while choosing, universities and colleges. So which kind of help you want from the universities and the colleges or from the counselor?
I want assurance of placement mainly because this is the main goal. And also, if there, I'm going in a hostel, so I want proper accommodation. And also, if not, then I'm looking for a better transportation system.
Okay. If I just talk about the academics, then of course placement is the first opportunity.
Yes.
Like of course people go for that only.
And also the course which I'm enrolling in, it should be future proof. Like it should have a great future ahead.
Okay.
Like AI and in CSE, core branch is always good.
Yeah.
But also in specialization, sometimes they are unnecessary
So have you
specialization
explored any
courses.
university over here and you find like ki, I can take admission in this particular university?
Yeah, maybe SRM. Of course, it's very famous.
It's
My friends
famous
have
in
also.
Chennai basically. The main branch is in Chennai. So in which
Yes.
location you're looking for?
If I can get Sonipat mein CSE.
Yeah, the
then it is
Sonipat
okay.
option is also there. Okay,
And
fine.
maybe if, because it's a very big name, maybe my father can allow me to go Chennai or
Yeah. Okay. So
There is
SRM
time.
is having an entrance option also, right?
yes.
So
SAT.
have you appeared for it?
No, but I am thinking about it. There is also one exam in June 11th.
Okay. Any message you wanted to give to your friends, the one who have just passed their 10th and 12th, just like you, and they are going to pursue their graduation soon, and they're going to start their new chapter. So, any message for them?
Just keep your calm, don't frustrate, and now your 12th is your past, and you have a great future ahead. Nobody knows what can happen.
Can we say marks is just a number?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, thank you so much for connecting with us. Thanks a lot. So yes guys, this is a university which is this DBS Global University. They offers courses like for the bachelor's and for the master's both. If I just talk about the bachelor courses, they have the BTech courses, BCom, BBA, BA Film and Television, BA Digital Marketing and BLLB. They have courses for the masters like MSc, BSc, and they have option like DPharm, MBA integrated, PhD options too. And they have, so the admission processes, like you have to go for the registration, then you have to go for the interview, video call interview, and the third one is a written exam. And they have option like 250 plus companies recruit from campus every year. They have the highest package like 24 LPA, 11.6 LPA top 20% and 8.15 LPA top 80%. They have prominent recruiters like Axis Bank, BCG, EY, KPMG, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, ICICI Bank, Asian Paints, Dabur, Hafel, HCL Tech and the last Nerolac. So yes guys, this booth is all about Manav Rachna Educational Institutes. Basically they have lots of courses like management, engineering. If I just talk about media or the commerce also, they have bachelor's and post-graduation courses both. They have entrance exams for the students, those who want scholarship and they have not scored good marks in their 12th. So you can go for the scholarships as well. And if you have scored good marks and it is more than 85 plus and you want scholarship, but you don't, so you have an option that you are not supposed to go for the entrance. You can take in a direct admissions also. So direct admissions is also available if you don't want any scholarship. Okay. So I'll just tell you the few courses name. If I just talk about like specialization in the media, they have BA Media and Communication. They have Media and Communication for the MA. If I just talk about the BEd, they have a specialization like for MA Education, PhD. They have option for design also, B Design, PhD in that as well. They have life sciences course like BSc, which is honors microbiology. They have option for management studies like MBA, finance, marketing, HR, international business, management information, entrepreneurship, banking and insurance. So if you're looking to go for the admission for this, you can definitely contact them and the details are in the description. So yes guys, this is School of Aeronautics and it is based in Rajasthan, Nimrana and Delhi NCR. Basically, it is approved by AICTE and it is affiliated by Bikaner and it is approved by DGCA also, which is Government of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation. Yeah, so they have courses like BTech for aeronautical engineering. They have aircraft maintenance engineering. They have courses for 2 years, 4 years and 3 years, both options. And as well as they have option for the direct admission. They are not supposed to go for any entrance exams. Entrance exam admission process has already been done. Now it's the only option for direct admission. So you can definitely come and you can visit about the engineering courses and you can get the information over here. They have lots of placement options and the companies are basically Airbus, Blue Dart, Indigo and Infotech, Calm Air, If I just talk about Qatar, then it's like CAR, DA, and Gyrox 2. So the admission is already going on. You can take admission over here and you can go with all the process. You're not supposed to go for any registration too. You can directly call to the university. You can get the information and your admission will be done. So yes guys, this is a JB Knowledge Park and it is located in Faridabad. It is affiliated by NAACC A+ universities. And if I just talk about admission process, it is they are having a direct admission. They offer courses like BCA, BBA, BTech, ME, EE, EC, CS, AIML, MBA and MCA. They have companies like placement basically Suzlon, Bosch, Tata, Nokia, HCL, Infosys, Wipro. And if you wanted to take admission for BCA, BBA, BTech or any other course, you can definitely go for it. They have a direct admission. You're not supposed to go for any entrance. And they have a fee courses like 90,000 rupees per annum for the BTech. If I just talk about BBA or BCA, they have a 54,000 PA. And one-time registration charges is 10,000 rupees for one time, like once you have taken admission. So you are supposed to only pay 10,000 rupees and then it's going to be done. Your admission will be confirmed over here. So you can connect with the counselor from the JB Knowledge Park. The details are in the description. So this is ITM University, which is based in Gwalior. If I just talk about the admission process, they have a direct admission. But first you have to go for the registration, and the registration fee is 11,000 rupees. You have to pay it and then you have to go for the interview. If in case you are going to not going to clear the interview, your amount will be completely refundable. And if you are going to clear the interview and you are going to be selected, so that will be included in your fees. You are not supposed to pay any extra registration fee for this. If I just talk about the placement, there is having a 45 LPA highest package. If I just talk about the average package, is a 6 LPA. And they have courses like engineering, management, paramedical, agriculture, sports. So if you're looking to go for the admission for the ITM University, the details are in the description. You can definitely go and check and you can visit. So yes guys, this is a Chandigarh group of colleges. They have courses like for law, fashion design, commerce, engineering, business management, journalism and mass communication, paramedical science, pharmacy and computer application. If I just talk about the highest package, they have 1 CR. The companies visited is 1200 plus. The placement offered is 10,000 plus. The industry-oriented programs is 100 plus. The global alliances with 200 plus universities and across 60 plus nation. If I just talk about the placement companies are, one student is here, like one student is named as Suraj Yadav and he has studied from here. He has done BTech CSE and his placement was done in Amazon. It is went 1 CR, which is 1 crore. And if I just talk about Anmol Bhateja, 45.5 LPA, Amazon. Om Kumar BTech 44 LPA, ServiceNow, and Simran Saini BTech 40 LPA, Autodesk. The admission process is very easy, simple. It is only like if you want to go for direct admission, you don't want any scholarship, so you can take direct admission over here while going with the registration and like filling the forms and everything. Basic details. If you wanted to go for the scholarship, they have a special test for the scholarship. No matter what your score is, you have to go for the test and it is mandatory. So you can definitely visit to the details about Chandigarh group of colleges. The details are in the description and you can connect with them. Thank you. We will connect with MET University, so come with me. So she's Dr. Monica and she's Associate Professor basically in MET University, Gurugram. I just wanted to know from you that which all courses, though everybody knows MET University and the people are aware about it. So have you launched any new courses this year or what is the admission criteria? Is it same like earlier or it had something changed right now?
Yes, we have many things to share. Villa. We, as an MET, have 17 institutes within the MET umbrella. We have MET School of Business, we have MET College of Commerce, MET School of Engineering, MET School of Applied Sciences, MET School of Biotechnology, MET School of Pharmacy, and the list is on and on till 17 institutes, right? Yes, recently we have also implemented the National Education Policy for the last 3 years. So we have a lot of baskets, value-added courses, progressive value-added. We have co-curricular courses. But yes, specialized to the curriculum, we are coming out with specifically in the management, we are coming with the digital marketing, BBA in digital marketing, BBA and MBA in fashion and business management. We already have a BBA in sustainable management, MBA in sustainable management, and we also exploring new opportunities where we can open. Yes, the placement criteria is that the companies do come up, and we have given the higher package of the 35 lakhs per annum to students. Apart from that, the placement, the admission process is not that stringent. Students just have to go to the website, need to apply, fill the form over there, and the entire modus operandi is there. So it depends, it varies from course to course, right? For example, for the School of Management, for the MIT School of Business, the students need to fill the form, then it will be diverted to the various counselor. Then we have a little bit of interview. We do a little bit of interview where the faculty take the interview of the students, try to find out. It's more of a counseling of a student, making understand what do you want, what are your aspirations, and a little bit of eligibility criteria. We just check on the interview whether what kind of a language he has, what is the interest he has, what kind of a background he come from, what is awareness, what is the current level of education he has, and accordingly we counsel him in the best possible way. Yes, we do have scholarship. It's based on the percentage of the previous courses. We have scholarship ranging from 25% till 100% scholarship. The person who is achieving more than 90% has a 100% scholarship, of course.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for connecting with Expo Media, though you have already updated lots of information. The last but not the least, can you please tell me top 5 companies where your students are placed, if I just talk about the BTech course?
BTech, I am not very sure because I basically am the management, but yes, I can say KPMG is there, Accenture is there. We also have the GE, and we also have HCL Technologies and many more in the list.
Okay, do you have any counseling workshop also?
Yes, we on and off. We keep on doing the counseling workshop. It's on and off. So we all have an annual calendar for that. So counseling workshops are very frequent with us. We keep on doing that counseling. That's what we do.
Thanks a lot for updating us. Thanks.
Thanks so much.
So hi everyone, he is Manthan and he has just passed his 12. So hi Manthan, I just wanted to know from you how's the experience of educators over here and for which course you are looking?
My experience here is great. The advisors and mentors are really friendly here. They're explaining in really simpler way, and I'm here looking for BTech courses.
So have you explored any of the universities till now?
Yes, ma'am. I have explored 4 to 5 different universities.
Okay. So if you want to help any of your friends who is looking you actually and through our channel, so what exactly message you want to convey to them about this exhibition, as well as you are going to pursue BTech, so you are looking for any of the university. So you want to give any advice to them that you can go for this particular university, they have good admission criteria, or they have a good placement opportunity or a scholarship?
I would advise that if you are stuck in counseling and confused which college to choose, I would say just come here. There is if I'm not wrong, there are more than 60 colleges, so you can easily visit them here. It won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes in each college, so yeah, you can just visit here. And advice would be look for better placement college.
Okay, fine. Thank you Manthan for connecting with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So yes guys, now I'll show you the overall exhibition look, that how it was, which all universities and colleges are here. So explore this. Thank you so much guys for staying with us till the last. I hope you have enjoyed the complete exhibition and the expo. I hope you have got all the information regarding the universities and the colleges, whether it's a admission criteria or the placement opportunities or the scholarship or the entrance test. So if you want any other information regarding any of the details of the university or the college, you can go to their official website. You can get the information from there. You can research about it, or else you can go for the counseling sessions as well. And one more thing, guys, please loving us, like us, share us, and subscribe us. And don't forget to subscribe our Expo Media Hindi channel also. And let me tell you one more thing, we are all officially on Spotify, so you can hear us our podcast too. So thank you so much. Stay tuned.